Hi, my name is Wang Chiang. Today I want to teach you how to use if statement in JavaScript. In order to use if statement, you need to type the code like this. Then you need to specify the condition inside this bracket. So if this condition is true, then it will run this block of code. Else, this block of code will be executed. So if this condition is false, then this block of code will be executed. So what if you have more than one condition? Then you need to use this type of method. If then you specify the condition, so the first condition is condition 1, then you need, if the condition 1 is true, then this block of code will be executed. Then if the condition 1 is false, then it will check for the condition 2. Then if the condition 2 is true, then this block of code will be executed. If condition 2 also is false, then it will proceed to the next. This block of code will be executed only when condition 1 and condition 2 is false. So now let's look at my example. So we type a random number, so 7, then the second number 10. Then 7 is less than 10, which is true. So let's try another. 9, 2. 9 is greater than 2, which is true. Let's try one more. 5, second number 5. 5 is equal to 5. So how this work? So let's look at this code. So first we declare two variables, num1 and num2. Then we prompt the user for the first number and the second number. Then we convert the num1 and num2 into the integer. Then we can do the comparison using the if else statement. So if the num1 is equal to num2, then it will display num1 is equal to num2. Then if this condition is false, then it will check for the second condition. Num1 is less than num2. So if num1 is less than num2, then it will display num1 is less than num2. So if both of these conditions are false, then it will proceed to this line of code. Then it will display num1 is greater than num2. Okay, that's all from me. I hope you can understand it. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Lee Chang-an and I'll be giving about if-else examples in JavaScript. Yeah, so as you can see here is write a JavaScript program that will convert height from meter to either centimeter or kilometer. So that's the question that we are asked to. So what you can say is to centimeter and or kilometer. So I'll do an example of the program. So for example, our program, I need 100 meter and convert it into centimeter. Now press convert now. So it will show you about the 10,000 centimeter. So if I want to convert into kilometer, we just change this and it will show 0.1 kilometer. Yeah, so how does it actually works? Let's see more about the code. Okay, so it's actually the same doc.html and then HTML. So the head, title, and all this, and then so inside the head, you have to write script to represent JavaScript that you're using right now. Yeah, so this is the function get input. Okay, so down here it has a form name, form which is very important. Later we're going to use it, and the meter txt is a name, and also the height txt, and then option A and B, which are centimeter and kilometer. And then we're going to use also the get input, which is the convert button. So the function here, get input, and then we have to declare all the variables, which are meter and also height. So meter equals to document dot convert from right here, and also dot mtxt dot value meter text. So we have to show where do we get this value from, which is inside HTML. So the height also the same thing, document convert from height head text dot value. So convert from here and then height txt. So it's the same. So you have to declare and then get your value from the user input. So if this is the if else function. So if height equals to A, what does A means? A means option A. The value is A. So A is centimeter. So when the user chooses centimeter, it's also A, or then the program will know that we are choosing convert to centimeter. So here's the function convert to centimeter, pass meter, and then no need to return. So if the height equals to B, what does B means? B is to show kilometer. It is also to convert the kilometer. It is also to let the program knows that you want to convert it into kilometer rather than centimeter. So both of these two are actually functions. When we go down here, we will declare those two functions, which are convert to centimeter and also convert to kilometer. So this one is to convert centimeter, we pass meter as a variable, and then we declare variable centimeter and also the rate. So cm equals to meter times 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 cm. So document dot write. So this is where we calculate for centimeter, and this is where we write down the result. So document dot write m is the meter that the users input, meter equals to plus cm plus this one is the result that we have just now here from here, and then we'll put it here, and then this is the centimeter. And we'll get the answer here real quick. So the next one is to convert to kilometer. It is almost the same as the centimeter. So declare variable km and rate. This rate is different from the rate here, because 1 meter to kilometer is 0.001 kilometer. So we have to put here km equals to meter times 0.001. Here's how it is. So document.write meter, which is the user's input, plus the meter, the unit, equals to km. Km is the result we got just now, same as the cm we got here, and also the unit. So that's how we get the whole thing. And you can see here, this is the input type button. The name is the convert button, which is here is this thing. Yeah, and then that's almost everything here, and then we'll show it again. Which is 10,000 centimeter, and kilometer, which is 0.1 kilometer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now I will talk about what is switch case. So what is switch case? Switch case is basically a multiple if, else, and if statement. We can use the if, else, if statement to perform a multi-way branch, but switch case is a better solution for it. Switch case can have multiple branch that only depend on single variable or single expression. Okay, now let's look at this flowchart to give you a better understanding about how the switch case works. So, at first, we have an expression over here. If the expression is meet out the condition of case 1, then if we execute the code block 1, means which means the statement 1. If it doesn't meet out the case 1, then it will look for the case 2 or case 3. If it doesn't meet all the statement over here, all the condition over here, then it will run the default condition, and then default statement, which is code block n. Okay, now I'll give an example about how to write switch case in JavaScript. So at first, we can create a program called enter the days of the week, which means user enter the days of the week. The program will show Saturday or Monday or any else. So at first, we can write down a variable called days, and then ask user to enter the days of the week, and then we store in the variables. Our switch here, we can change our expression over here to days, as we need to let the switch case to determine what user have just entered, and then list down all the condition over here. So we have write down the condition 1, which means the first day of the day, which means 1, and then we can print out as Sunday, because the first day of the week will be Sunday. So I will do the rest of the all. Okay, I have just done all the case 1 until the case 7, which means 7 days per week. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So what is the default statement we'll do? The default statement is if the user key in the keyword not in 1 until 7, we have the default prompt will ask user to let user know they've entered the error command. So we can print out invalid value to let user know they have entered the wrong command. Okay, now let's try to run the program. So the web page says, please enter the days of the week. Let's say we enter 5. And it will show Thursday. And then it's the case number 5, and then the statement will be print Thursday. So our program is success.
Hello guys, I am Tongka Jie. Today I want to show a simple example JavaScript with switch case statement. This is our simple HTML, and then this is the website output. How will we run this? Is the user pick here and then he click this, and then we add a onClick function check data. When the user click here, he will call our function check data, and then this mean grade document order form means what the users pick here, A, B, C or D. If the users no pick, we also have the space plan. Is if use the if else statement. If is equal space, right this, the user's no pick right, what will output when he click the check grade? He click and then he will output this. Invalid error, please write your grade here. Okay, next. This is the point of today. Switch grade. Case A. Document get element by ID. Yeah, here. This mean what? If the users pick A and then we write this document get element by ID, right? Choose comment right here, right? How about grade? It will upgrade or change to be good job. Like this. The users pick A right and then he check grade. The how about grade will be become good job. Next is the point of today, the most important point. If you using the switch case statement, don't forget, please put the break. What will wrong or if you know put the break? Okay, like we see. The user pick A and then what will the output? Is good job, pretty good or pass? Okay, let we see here. He click, it will be no so good. Oh, like this because it's no put the brake right, and then we will run and then run until here he stop. So it is the no so good. Okay, thank you very much for viewing my video.